Welcome to EdrisFinance. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to import your MetaTrader 5 trading account into the platform in just a few simple steps. Start by opening the Trading Account section from your EdrisFinance dashboard. Next, open the Brokers list from the sidebar and select MetaTrader 5 from the supported platforms. Now, choose a custom name for your account so you can easily identify it inside your workspace. Then enter your current account balance to help EdrisFinance generate accurate trading statistics and performance analytics. Once everything is ready, upload your MetaTrader 5 orders file to begin the import process. Please wait a few moments while EdrisFinance securely processes and imports your trading history. In just a short time, your account data and imported trades will be fully available inside the platform. Now let's move to the Orders Ledger section to review the imported MetaTrader 5 trades. Here you can analyze entries, exits, profit and loss, execution details, and your complete trading activity. If you want to display only the trades from the latest imported broker, simply select the MetaTrader 5 account from the top filter bar. EdrisFinance provides advanced analytics, performance metrics, and detailed insights designed to help traders improve their decision-making process. And that's it! Your MetaTrader 5 account has now been successfully imported into EdrisFinance. Thank you for watching. You can also find us on our social channels for more updates, tutorials, and trading insights. See you in the next EdrisFinance guide.